Buenos dias, chicos. Popping on here to continue our preterite lesson. You had some homework assignments over the last couple of days. The workbook pages 64, exercises 1 and 2. So let's hop to it. You, I'm sure, are so sick to death of these endings that you definitely know them by heart right now. So the AR preterite endings are what? Yes, that is exactly right. Do I sound like Dora? They are A, aste, O, amos, astes, aron. And then over here, we have our ER, IR endings. And those are E, iste, yo, imos, istes, ieron. Good. All right, so over here, this is exercise 1, ejercicio 1, from la página 64. And I just have it set up so that we can sort of go through it together. And then we have our endings charts over here to refer to, just straightening them up real quick. So, número 1 says, Marcela, and we're supposed to use the verb encontrar las sandalias debajo de la cama. So, el verbo encontrar is an AR verb, see? So we're going to use these endings. And Marcela is that first person, I, second person, you, or third person, someone else, Marcela. That's she, right? Third person, someone else. So we're going to come down and use 1, 2, 3, third person, someone else, and say encontró. Perfecto. Okay, Gustavo. Again, is Gustavo me? First person, I, second person, you, or third person, someone else? I think he's third person, someone else. And then we look at the verb recibir, ends in an IR. So I'll go to my ER, IR endings, and third person, 1, 2, 3, singular column, recibió. Perfecto, chicos. Okay, Sara y Viviana. First person, I, second person, you, or third person, someone else, Sara y Viviana. I think that's third person, someone else. But are we going to our singular columns? No, we need to go third person, plural. And terminar is a AR verb, so we'll go to third person, plural over here and put that ending on, which would be terminaron. Perfecto. Okay, this one un poquito más difícil, no? A little bit more difficult because la agente de viajes isn't just a name. I think the names are the easiest. So la agente de viajes, ¿cómo se dice la agente de viajes? The travel agent es una palabra de vocabulario, no? It's a vocab word, right? So la agente de viajes, the travel agent, is yo, is that me, first person, tú, or third person, somebody else. See, third person, somebody else. And preparar is an AR verb. So we'll come over here. And is el agente de viajes one person or 2 or more people? It's one person, la agente. So we'll come and use this ending, preparó. Perfecto. Okay, yo. Love it when they just use the pronoun, right? So yo, is that me? Yo? Sí, muy bien. First person singular. Y visitar is an AR verb. So we'll come over here to our AR chart and use our yo ending here. tenemos visite. Perfecto. Okay, los dependientes. Los dependientes. Otra palabra de vocabulario, no? Another vocab word. So es plural, it's plural, so we're going to be looking at our plural column. Is that me, you, or a third person, somebody else? Somebody else, right? The shop workers. So we're looking third person, plural, and escuchar. Is that a AR verb? Sí, so third person. 1, 2, 3, plural. An AR verb. Perfecto. Patricia y tú. Okay, now, this depends on where we are, right? So, Patricia y tú, that's Patricia and you. So, is that me? No. Is it you? Yes. It's you and someone else, so it's going to be on the plural side. Now, if we are in what country would we use the vosotros? España. So, en España, click all the way over here so I have lots of room. En España, I can use viajasteis. In other countries, I would use the ustedes form, right? So that would be viajaron. So either one of those is acceptable. I'm just going to scooch it a little bit over so you can see it. There you go. Perfecto. Okay, nosotras, again, love it when they use the pronoun, right? So, is that me? Yes, I'm included in nosotras, but it's plural, so we. So we're going over here, nosotras. And escribir, is that an ER-IR verb? Sí, so we need this imos ending. Escribimos. Perfecto. Tú, perfecto. Yo, no. Tú, sí. Perfecto. Regresar es un verbo AR. Usamos el término haste. Tú regresaste. Excelente. Número 10. Ustedes. El verbo es vivir. Usamos los términos de ER y IR. Y el pronombre es ustedes. Entonces el término es hieron, ¿no? El palabra entero es vivieron. Perfecto, chicos. Excelente. Vale, ejercicio 2. Ejercicio 2 necesita frases. Las instrucciones, the instructions say, rewrite these sentences in the preterite tense. So each of these sentences has a verb that is currently in the present tense. So let's go find that verb, shall we? So en número 1, el verbo, la frase es, Ramón escribe una carta al director del programa, perdóname. The verb, el verbo, es escribe. Muy bien, so let's underline it. Número 2, mi tía trabaja de dependienta en un gran almacén. ¿Qué es el verbo aquí? Sí, es trabaja. Número 3. Comprendo el trabajo de la clase de inglés. ¿Qué es el verbo en esta frase? Sí, el verbo es comprendo. Perfecto. Número 4. La familia de Daniel vive en Argentina. La familia de Daniel vive, muy bien, en Argentina. Número 5. Virginia y sus amigos comen en el café de la librería. ¿Qué es el verbo? Comer. Muy bien. Oh, no. Ay de mí. I lost my mind. Okay. Muy bien. Comer. Perfecto. Comen. Número 6. Los ingenieros terminan la construcción de la tienda en junio. ¿Qué es el verbo? Terminan. Número 7. Llevas un vestido muy elegante a la escuela. El verbo, llevas. Número 8. Los turistas caminan, compran y descansan. Ay de mí, hay 3 verbos en esta frase. 3. Los turistas caminan, compran y descansan. 3 verbos. Número 9. Corremos cada día en el parque. Corremos. Perfecto, chicos. Vale, entonces necesitamos escribir estas frases en el pretérito. We need to write these sentences in the preterite. So, we have, once again, our handy dandy charts. We'll write them over here for ourselves. So we have, for the AR verbs, we have haste, o, amos, hastes y aron. Perfecto. Y para verbos ir y er, tenemos iste, yo, y, imos, istes, y hieron. Probably should have done that the first time. Got too fancy with my little charts. Okay. Número 1. Ramón escribe una carta al director del programa. So, el verbo es escribe. Necesitamos cambiarlo al pretérito. El verbo es escribir. The verb is escribir. Es an ER-IR verb. El sujeto es Ramón. The subject is Ramón. So, what do we want to use? Third person singular, escribió. Ramón escribió una carta al director del programa. ¿Sí? Perfecto. Ok, número 2. Muy bien. Número 2. Mi tía trabaja de dependiente en un gran almacén. Trabaja es un verbo AR, es an AR verb. Y mi tía es el sujeto. My aunt is the subject. Es el third person, no, el tercera persona. So we need o para el término. Mi tía trabajó de dependiente en un gran almacén. Perfecto. Comprendo. No tenemos sujeto. We don't have a subject. So we have to go to the ending of the verb. So it ends in an O. Comprendo. In our present tense, our verb endings would be O, S, E, hemos, eis, en. So from that O, we can tell that the ending, that the ending indicates that the subject was what? Yo. So then I know that I'm going over here to my yo endings. Now, comprender, is it an AR verb or an ER-IR verb? Comprender. That's right. It's an ER-IR verb. So I'm going to say, comprendí el trabajo de la clase de inglés. Perfecto, chicos. La familia de Daniel vive en Argentina. El verbo es vivir, so ER-IR verb, E-R-I-R. Y la familia de Daniel es el sujeto. La familia es un nombre que suena plural. It's a noun that sounds plural, but it is not, right? La familia, it's a collective noun. It's actually singular. So we go over here to our singular third person, yo ending, and we say, la familia de Daniel vivió en Argentina. Muy bien, chicos. Virginia y sus amigos comen en el café de la librería. Ok, perfecto. Comer es un verbo ER. Virginia y sus amigos. Virginia and her friends, it's third person. Ellos, no? And ER, like we said, comieron en el café de la librería. Oops, and I didn't make this quite wide enough for that sentence when I dragged it out the first time, huh? There we go. Los ingenieros, the engineers. Again, yo, no. Tú, no. Third person, somebody else, sí. And plural. Terminan, that's an AR verb, so we're going 1, 2, 3, third person, plural, terminaron. Los ingenieros terminaron la construcción de la tienda en junio. Perfecto. Llevas, ay de mí, otra vez, no pronombre, and again, no pronoun or noun. Llevas. Okay, so we go to the ending. It ends in AS. We know from our present tense that AS is the to form, right? Oh, as, amos, ais, an. As is the to form. So we go over here to the to form. Aste. Llevaste un vestido muy elegante a la escuela. Excelente. Los turistas. Ay, de mí 3 verbos. This is the one with 3 verbs. Los turistas. Yo, is that me? Tú? No, that's someone else, right? The tourist, 3, third person. So we're going to come over here. We've got AR verb, AR verb, AR verb. How handy for us. We can use the same ending every time. Aron. So, caminaron, compraron, y descansaron. Que larga. What a long sentence. Número 9. Otra vez. No pronombre. Again, no pronoun. But we go to the ending. Corremos. It's an hemos ending, so we know it's nosotros. And correr is an ER verb, so we're going to come over here to nosotros. We've got our emos ending. We're in good shape. We're not going to have a problem at all. Corrimos cada día en el parque. Muy bien, chicos. Perfección. Okay, well, I hope that you feel confident with this. Remember that you have a Flipgrid assignment for ejercicio 4 en la página 65, exercise 4 on page 65, to answer those questions and make a little Flipgrid video. Submit that for your participation grade this week, no later than 4 p.m. on Friday. I can't wait to see your faces because I miss you terribly. This is just the saddest tale ever told. And I really hope you guys are all safe and doing super well. And if you have any questions, come see me during office hours so I can see even more of your precious faces. I love you. I'll talk to you soon.